Taking a look at the displays on both the S5 and S4, the S5 features a Super AMOLED 5.1-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pixels per inch count of 432, while the S4 features a Super AMOLED 5-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 441 pixels per inch count. Now both displays look great, but I felt that the extra 0.1 of an inch was nice on the S5, but it's not necessarily essential. So powering the S5's display is a 2.5 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM, while the S4 is powered by a 1.9 GHz quad-core processor with 2 GB of RAM. Now both phones feel great in the hands, but I felt that with the S4 it was very slimy, and with the S5 I'm very happy they've kind of done an overhaul on the hardware. They have this semi-perforated leather backing. Now while it's not exactly like the Note 3, and that's kind of what we predicted it to be, I felt that it was a lot more solid and I could get a lot more done on it because of the much more structured build. Now in terms of camera, the S4 features a 13 megapixel camera on the rear with 1080p video, as the S5 features a 16 megapixel camera with 30 frames per second video at 4K, or also known as Ultra HD, and I really do like the 4K option on there, and I might even start shooting some tech reviews with them. So one of the big new features on the S5 is the fingerprint scanner. I like how it's embedded into the home button similar to the Apple iPhone 5S, and it just was a lot more secure than I initially went in there thinking it would be. I thought it was going to be cheap, tacky, but it actually works, and it works very well. So in terms of durability, the Samsung Galaxy S4 is made out of plastic, and if you drop that sucker, you're definitely going to see some scuffs and scratches on it. But with the Samsung Galaxy S5 and the perforated backing, I feel like it's going to be a little bit more sturdier, and if you go ahead and drop it, it might not necessarily scuff and scratch. But one of the cool new features on the Samsung Galaxy S5 is the fact that it's waterproof up to 3 feet and up to 30 minutes. So that's a cool feature, and if you want to go swimming with your phone, you can. So just wrapping it up here, the Samsung Galaxy S5 will be available in April. Pricing has not been announced yet, and it will be available in blue, white, black, and gold, while the Samsung Galaxy S4 is available at not only your local retailer, but also online. Thank you guys so much for watching this video where we briefly compared the brand new Samsung Galaxy S5 to its predecessor, the Samsung Galaxy S4.